Good morning, kids. We are going to switch it up a little bit in math today. Um, I have been assigning you assignments on Cami, and it's clear that about half of you are understanding what you're supposed to do with Cami, and about half of you may not be understanding. So I'm going to actually focus on Cami during our live session today. And the work that you're going to do independently is going to be in your Clever account. So you're going to go into your Clever account. I'm showing you mine. I'm not showing a student view. So this is what my view would look like. You're going to click into Dreambox here. And I have added an assignment for every person in the class. So how do you know what your assignments are? Well, I'll show you. Um, I get to see who is working on these assignments and who's not. And so I assigned this long-term assignment, multiplication using units of 2 and 3. Here's the key icon that you're going to look for. So when you see this blue calendar right here, um, that is the indication for you that it's your assignment assigned by your teacher. So you're looking for that blue calendar on multiplication using units of 2 and 3. It might not say this specifically, but you are looking for that blue calendar when you click into your Dreambox. And I can see all the students in the classroom. I just made this assignment, so I would expect that nobody has spent any time on this. So um, after today, what I would expect is that some people have some minutes here, that all people in the class have some minutes here because you've watched this video, and as soon as this video is over, you click into Dreambox and get started. That's the big idea, and I'm looking forward to using Dreambox as a tool to help reinforce the things that we are learning in our classwork, and I'm also looking forward to seeing your development as a result of your efforts. Now, I also can see who has and has not been working in Dreambox, so in my overview here, and there are numerous students who have spent zero time on Dreambox, but there are several of you who've spent plenty of time on Dreambox. And so I can see, some people have spent, like Violet, spent an hour on Dreambox. Nice job, Violet. I encourage you to get onto Dreambox and use it as a tool to help you and and help me figure out where you are in your math learning. Good luck. Have fun.